Whether or not they're interconnected is something I would leave to the public and to the appreciation of the senator judges.
Attorney, na-mention din yung buy now, pay later kanina, though it wasn't discussed. Pero ito po ba yung explanation why some acknowledgement receipts are dated 2023 instead of 2020?
Hindi po, hindi po. Iba po yung naging explanation doon. Hindi ko palang masabing yung itay nila lang bukas because that, hindi ko matanong eh. Actually, I was prepared to ask questions on yung mga 2023 but na-limit ako dahil nakapagsabi kasi yung ating testigo, si Attorney Wamil, na he was only in ICFAO from September 2014 to February 2024. Yung notice of suspension, nasagot kasi yun later pa than his time. So hindi ko masagot. So without preempting kung ano yung naging sagot ng OVP doon, baka kasi bukas may labas yun. No? Especially sa cross siguro ng defense.
Attorney, you also mentioned yung CIF ng 20...